Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to analyze, visualize and compare COVID-19 data using Python. Guys, now let's check what will you learn till the end of this video. Guys, till the end of this video you will learn these things. Guys, as this project will be processing a massive amount of data at a time, we will be not using our local system. Instead of that, we will be using a website known as Kaggle. Guys, now let's start our journey by creating a Kaggle account. Guys, open your browser and type kaggle.com and hit enter. Next, click on register with Google. Now select your Gmail account. Guys, now that we have created a Kaggle account, now let's create a Python notebook. Guys, you must be wondering what is a Python notebook. In short, Python notebook is an online environment for Python. Guys, now click on notebook, then click on new notebook. Now select the language as Python and the type as notebook, and then create it. Guys, we have now successfully created a Python notebook. Guys, now let's change the file name as COVID-19 analysis. Next, we will delete this cell and install the required libraries. Type pip install US and hit enter. Shift enter. Now it is installing the US library. We have now successfully installed the US library. Guys, we will now install a library called CalMap. Type pip install CalMap and press shift enter. Guys, meanwhile you can like the video and subscribe our channel. Next we will install a library called pycountry_convert. Guys, we have now successfully installed all the required libraries. Guys, we will now import the dataset for COVID-19. Click on data and type here COVID-19 and hit enter. Next, click on add on the first dataset. We have now successfully imported the required dataset. Guys, we will now import the libraries. First, we will import the math library. Next, we will import the random library to produce random numbers. After that, we will import JSON to load the JSON files. After that, we will import the date and time module. Now let's mark the requirements here. And for date and time. Guys, next we'll import the URL lib library. From URL lib requests import URL open. Now let's type the use to get the web contents. Next we will import the NumPy library. NumPy as NP. And next we will import the pandas library. Load the CSV file, which is the comma separated values. Pandas as PD. Now pandas can be also helpful to create the visual graphics. Guys, next we'll import the matplotlib library for the basic visualization. Plotlib.pyplot as PLT. Enter. Next we'll import the Seaborn library for advanced plotting. Finally, we will be importing the interactive visualization. Plotly.express as px from for interactive visualization in basic visualization. And this is advanced plotting. Graph underscore objs as go. And from plotly.offline import plot comma iplot, then init underscore notebook mode underscore. Guys, now change from to import. Now press shift enter. Also change this line. Also this line. Roughly offline. Guys, we have now successfully imported the required libraries. Guys, now type this line carefully. CNF, DTH, rec.act is equal to #393E46, #FF2E63, #21B73, #FE9801, and now press shift enter. Guys, now let's import the full data. Click on this arrow and in front of COVID-19 underscore claimed underscore complete, click on copy file path. Next type full underscore data is equal to pd.read underscore csv, open the bracket, open quotes, and paste the path and press shift enter. And now let's check the first 5 columns of the file. Guys, here are the 5 rules. And guys, if you want to know the last 5, type full underscore data dot tail. Just make a correction and type it tail. Guys, here are the last 5. Guys, now let's import this data full group.csv. Click on copy file path and type here full underscore grouped is equal to pd.read underscore csv, open the bracket, open quotes, and paste the path and press shift enter. Guys, next type full group is equal, open square quotes, open single quotes, and type date is equal to pd.to underscore date time group full underscore grouped, open the bracket, open quotes, date, and now press shift enter. Guys, next we'll import this daywise.csv. Again, do these steps, copy file path, type day underscore wise is equal to pd.read underscore csv, and paste the file path. Next type day underscore wise is equal to, before is equal to type, open square bracket, date is equal to pd.to underscore date time, open quotes, date, and press shift enter. And for doing this, make a correction, day underscore wise, open the bracket, paste, and now press shift enter. Mm, got this. Okay, is little bit confusing. Guys, this is the final sentence. Press shift enter. Yes, now we have imported the device.csv and full group.csv. Guys, now let's import. Guys, finally we will import this CSV file, countrywise underscore latest. Copy the file path, create a variable countrywise is equal to pd dot. Instead of writing this, copy this line and paste it here. And again, click on copy, replace this text to the file path, and even this country underscore wise. Guys, next we will fill the NaN, which is blank spaces, to 0. Type country underscore wise is equal to country underscore wise dot replace, open the bracket, space, comma, np dot nan dot fill any to 0. And now press shift enter. Guys, now we will visualize this diagram. Type temp is equal to day underscore wise, open square bracket, another open square bracket, date, comma, deaths, comma, recovered, comma, active, good last, type tail, open the bracket, 1. And now press shift enter. Guys, now let's do the next. Guys, now let me explain you what we will be doing next. Guys, now let me explain you what we'll be doing next. We will be removing this and the ID and the date variable. Guys, to do this, type temp is equal to temp dot melt, open the bracket, inside the bracket type ID underscore wheres is equal to date, comma, value is equal to value underscore wheres is equal to active, comma, deaths, comma, recovered. Now press shift enter. Guys, before drawing this figure, check this line. Guys, now let's draw the figure. Type fig is equal to px dot tree map, open the bracket, temp, comma, path is equal to, open quotes, variable, close the bracket, outside the bracket type values is equal to value, comma, height is equal to 225, comma, enter color underscore discrete underscore sequence is equal to open the bracket act comma tech comma dth and press shift enter. Guys, now let's show the figure. Type fig dot data bracket colon is equal dot text info is equal to label plus text plus value. Hit enter and type fig dot show, open the bracket, close the bracket and hit enter. Guys, here's the output. Guys, we will now draw these maps. Guys, now let's create a function to draw a heat map. Type diff plot underscore map, open the bracket, df means the data frame, column, comma, hit enter, df is equal to df, open the square bracket, column is more than 0. Next, figure is equal to px dot crop left, open the bracket, df comma locations is equal to country slash region, comma location mode is equal to country name. Now put a comma and hit enter. Next, type color is equal to comma power underscore name is equal to country slash region, comma hit enter. Next, type title is equal to column comma power underscore data is equal to call comma color underscore continuous underscore scale is equal to 5. Now hit enter and type figure dot show. Guys, we have now successfully created a function to draw a heat map. Now press shift enter. Guys, now let's plot a heat map of confirmed cases. Type plot underscore map, open the bracket, inside the bracket type the data frame as country underscore wise, comma column name confirmed, comma matter. Now press shift enter. Guys, if you see this error, click on run all. country underscore wise. Country wise. Copy. Okay, now change this to chloro. Now press shift enter and again press shift enter. Guys, here's the heat map of the confirmed cases. Now let's check the heat map of total death. Next we'll check off active cases. Guys, we have now successfully plotted a heat map. Guys, we will now plot this diagram. Guys, type fig is equal to px dot raw length open the bracket full underscore grouped comma locations is equal to country slash region and put the quotes here comma and hit enter. Next type color is equal to np dot log open the bracket full grouped open the bracket confirmed then put another comma press enter location mode is equal to country names power underscore name is equal to country slash region. Animation underscore frame is equal to full underscore grouped date dot dt dot str frame frame time so y means the year then month then the date close the bracket put a comma and hit enter dash type fig dot show and open the bracket close the bracket and now shift enter. Guys, here's our diagram. Guys, now let's plot a diagram of top 15 countries. Guys, now let's create a function to plot the top 15 countries. Type diff
plot underscore HBAR df comma column comma number comma hover underscore data is equal to close the bracket colon enter. Next fig is equal to px bar open the bracket then df dot sort underscore values in the bracket column dot tail 15. Now just comma hit enter. Next type x is equal to column comma orientation is equal to h. Next type color is equal to who region comma hidden. Text is equal to column comma now backspace. After who color, okay. Just cut this part and paste it after this. Okay, enter. Next we will type the width. Width is equal to 700 comma enter. Hover underscore data is equal to hover underscore data comma color underscore is script underscore sequence is equal to px dot color is equal dot qualitative dot dark 2 comma now hit enter. Next type fig dot update underscore layout in the bracket title dot column comma x-axis title is equal to yes comma y-axis underscore title is equal to comma y-axis underscore category order is equal to total ascending okay, comma uniform text underscore min size is equal to 8 comma uniform text underscore mode is equal to hide. Close the bracket and type fig dot show open the bracket, close the bracket. Guys, now press Shift Enter. Next we will test the function. Type plot h bar, open the bracket, country underscore wise, comma, confirmed, comma 15, and press Shift Enter. Guys, here's the final output.
Guys, the full code is in the description. You can download it anytime. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do hit the bell icon to get the latest updates.